I'll guide you through Notion note-taking tutorial. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and go to Notion.ch. Once the home page is fully loaded, click Login if you already have an account, or select Get Notion Free to sign up with your email. After logging in, go to the left sidebar and click New Page. Type a title for your new note and start writing in the blank space provided. To format your notes, use the / command. Type the word heading to add section titles, bullet list or a numbered list to organize key points, and toggle list to create collapsible content. You can also insert media by typing image or embed, or simply drag and drop files into the page. For basic styling, highlight text to apply bold, italic, or highlight colors. Maintain a clean layout by using headings consistently. To create columns, click and hold a block, then drag it next to another block until a vertical blue line appears. Release to place it in a new column. To navigate through your notes, click the search bar at the top left corner and type a keyword or page name to quickly find any content.